Hello, hello. Live stream number 116. It is finally Friday. Getting into August 11th. I'm seeing a ton of movement already. So this is looking like another good day in the making. Just like yesterday. And I believe the day before. I gotta check this news first. Okay, we're looking all right for the London session. New York session's got some pretty heavy news at 5:30 and 7. So I have to keep that in mind. Sorry about the late stream today. I actually forgot to put the stream up earlier. And then I got on here to stream and I was like, wait a minute. Thing's not there. Okay. Well, we are here now. We're ready to go. I would like to get my usual goal of 6 reward. Which in this case is $2,400. That is the goal. Got a ton of movement already, like I was saying. Looking really good so far. And we still have 18 minutes before the open. So yes, that's a very, very good sign. Dollar's still kind of chopping around. Dollar pairs are kind of chopping around. It's a pretty good short here. Oh, this trade was really good yesterday. It actually went way through. Continued on down. I could have gotten a lot more out of that, but I was okay with the 3 that I got. Nice easy trade there. Let's see. Bitcoin still around 29K. Looking good. Yens are moving. Let's see. Oh yeah, this trade yesterday here. All right. So had I not set the stop to break even, it would have went through all the way. I'm a little mad about that, but that's okay. That is $1,200 that I missed out on. It's all good. It happens. Have to not get mad and not try to revenge trade it back. Just accept that you didn't get it and move on. There's other trades. There's always going to be another trade. It's not a bad long here either. It's not great, but it's not bad. I think it's too early to get into something like that, so I'll leave that one alone. Oh. Wow. Okay, this is interesting. Euro CHF popping off. Interesting. Okay. Okay, it's looking like the dollar might continue up from here. This looks like a really good short here. I might even get into it, honestly. This is a good long here. Okay, yeah, a bunch of good trades today. Already. I would say this is probably the best one right now. Okay, actually, I'm gonna get into this now. All right. Got our first trade already. It's pretty decent. This is once again a nice EMA pullback on the hourly chart. A couple charts actually. Potentially being a little greedy with that take profit, but it looks fine. It's only 30 pips, 32 pips. I'll keep an eye on it just in case. And what else was I looking at? Oh yeah, this here. This one I'm gonna wait, even though it looks fine now, but I'm gonna wait though. I just want to see what happens with the open first. This looks pretty good too. Yeah, a bunch of trades available today. This is not a bad long here. It's just not. It's not great either. Not bad, not great. Yeah, I gotta wait on that one. Right. I'm pretty sure about this odd NZD trade. I just need to find one more solid 3 reward, and that'll be good for today. So I should be able to do that before 12:30 at some point. Okay. So that's good for now. I'll be right back. Okay. About to get started here. We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Alrighty. 2 minutes. I got a pullback here. If this pulls back further, might get into it. The dollar's not looking too stable though, so I don't know. Being a little cautious. I think you can probably short all of these. But yes, it just depends on what happens with the open. This still looks like the best one, especially if the odd NZD is going up. This will go down even faster. This one has to break out of this level. I think it will too. All right, 40 seconds. Yeah, I think I have to leave these dollar pairs alone for now. I think it's just too unstable at the moment. So I'm gonna wait on those. All right, 10 seconds. Let's see what we get. Here we go. All right, potential long here. That's pretty good. I have to do this really fast though. Okay. This should be a pretty quick one. All right, so once again, it's another EMA pullback. Not the best one ever, but not bad either. And yeah, I might be too greedy on that take profit. So we'll see. I'll keep an eye on this one too. Looks pretty good so far. MKKM, how's it going? Happy Friday. Yeah, it looks like the market is back to movement again. It was like 2 weeks of choppiness. A couple good days sprinkled in there, but it looks like it's consistently back to being easy again. Thank goodness. Like I said, this one, the only problem with this one is all this resistance it has to get through. But everything else about it looks good. Should be fine, hopefully. See how the other trade's doing. This one looks much better. This is like a 90% chance to go through. This one's more like a 60 or 70% chance to go through. So they're both decent though. Yeah, for the first couple months of this year, it was like this every day. Every day was easy. Every day was like nice, very visible trades, and a bunch of pairs are popping. And you know, it wasn't until maybe the last month where it kind of slowed down. The summer. See, did I get in too early? Yep, maybe. Okay. Well, it started off looking pretty good. All right. Didn't get that one. Might actually re-enter, depending on what happens here. I'm scared to get into this one. I'm gonna leave this one alone. It's too yeah, not the best trade there. I'll leave that one alone. Okay, do I actually re-enter this one? I think so. I think I wait. No, I think I leave it alone too. Too unstable. Nah, that's not a good trade either. Okay, gotta be patient. Mohammed Zain, how's it going? Okay, I think I do re-enter. Okay, I will give myself 2 attempts on a move. If I try something out, it fails the first time, I will try it one more time. If it looks good enough. You're having a red day, man. I lost 1 trade so far. Making my 2nd attempt on it now. It's had some space to pull back a little bit. Ayamide Alabiosu. It says, although I don't take your trades, I enjoy watching your videos. Yeah, man, I'm not running a signal service, so you know, I'm just streaming my trades. That's all. I don't want to feel responsible for other people's accounts and things like that. That's why I don't do signals. And I take really quick scalp trades, so it's kind of, yeah, not my thing. I'd be pretty shocked if this one failed. I'll say this is a pretty good trade. Okay, second one here is looking a lot better. Okay. Yeah, it's midnight here too. It is midnight. Alright, yeah, this looks a lot better. It still got some resistance to get through. Okay, this move here, it has 8 pips to go. Not very far at all. Okay, what else do we have here? So hopefully I don't get a second loss here. I have to make up for it later. It means I'll have to stay on until like 1:30, which is fine if that's what I have to do. It might take a minute. Yeah, like I said, if this one fails here, I'd be very, very surprised. But even if that happens, it should give me another entry later on. This is a really good uptrend. Five Arms Live. How's it going? Ah. Are you asking if FTMO's funding is good? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I'm glad it's Friday. I'll tell you that much. Kind of a long week. I'm gonna double the stop. I believe in this move here. It just might need a little bit more space. I'll be shocked if either one of these trades failed. Ah. You said you only trade GBP USD? Okay. Yeah, I've seen some people. I've seen a couple people that do that. The good thing is you know the pair very well. The bad thing is there's going to be days where there's not trades for you since you don't have any other pairs to trade. Pros and cons to everything. You said your setup is like 15 pips scalp. It gives you maximum days on your trades. I can't say I fully understood that, but okay. I think I got you. Okay, so you go for 15 pips on the GU. All right, yeah, it's pretty pretty normal strategy, I would say. Hope it's working for you. Okay, you said yes, it's working. 70 to 80% accuracy because of 1 to 1.5 risk reward. You said you're not good at catching big moves. The key to catching big moves is for it to be a heavy trend on the hourly chart, the higher charts, but mainly the hourly chart. Those I would say are the easiest big moves. Heavy trends usually just keep on going. That's why this move here, like I said, I'd be pretty shocked if it went down much further than where I had my stop loss. It could touch all the way down to the 21 on the hourly, but I really highly doubt that it'll come down that far. But if it does, I can just get back into it there. So yeah, this should continue to go up no matter what. Just like yesterday, both of those moves continued in the same direction from where I entered them at. Yeah, that's the easiest way to trade. Just trade heavy trends and leave everything else alone. It's easy to say that, but are people going to have the actual discipline to do it is the question. Do I trade crypto? Not day trade. I deal with crypto here and there. Mr. Tiger, how's it going? You didn't miss much today. I lost one trade on this UCHF. Got back into it. It's not looking fantastic. This one looks pretty good though. People need to have the discipline to only take good trades. I say this to myself too. This is really not the best. This is not the best trade here. It's not terrible either, but I mean, I could have waited for something better. So yeah, people have to have the discipline to only take really good moves. And follow their trading plan as well. Very important. This is not bad here. Okay, you say you're doing a challenge right now with FX2 funding. I've never dealt with FX2 funding. I don't even know what that is. But FTMO, they pay you out in different ways. You can get paid in crypto. You can get paid directly to your bank account. They give you a couple of different options. I would say the Bitcoin way is the easiest way. Five Arms Live, you said, I want to know one thing. If I'm trading for a funding challenge, can I trade both with my personal account and funding account? MT5 copy trading. Yes and no. I say all the time, FTMO spreads are really low compared to most brokers. So if you're copying trades directly, you'll have a lot of problems with that. So there's ways you can get around it. You can have it copy to your regular account and just use a smaller lot size and then just move the stop loss and take profit to match the spreads. You can do it that way, but you can't copy the trades directly because you'll get stopped out because the spread is too high. Yeah, if the spreads are similar at least, then yeah, you can copy them directly. Or if you're using multiple different accounts from the same broker, you can copy the trades directly. Okay, looks like my odd and ZD trades going back up. I think I put too much faith into this one. I should have just went short here instead. This was a better move. Komodo Dragon, you said good morning and evening. What do you predict on the US dollar index? The dollar index should go up today for this session at least. Spot Me Fly, how's it going? Five Arms Live, you said, is there any way to connect multiple accounts and copy trades directly? Yeah, you can use any copy trader, but like I said, you gotta watch for the spreads between the different brokers. No two brokers are gonna have the same spreads, so you know you have to account for that. Yeah, I don't like this UCHF trade I'm in. Not a fan of it, actually. It wasn't that good of a trade. The first time I took it was all right. Now I'm not liking it at all. But I'll let it run anyway, just in case I can get some money out of it. But yeah. You said Auden ZD has some resistance coming up. Let's see. Maybe I missed it. Oh, I see. I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, it might pull back a little bit. We'll see what happens. We shall see. It's probably the best trade from today. You said, do I have a group or channel, Discord or Telegram? Not currently. I'm on Telegram and Discord just as a person. I don't have like a room on there or anything yet. I just don't have the time for something like that right now. But you're like the 6th or 7th person to say that, so maybe I need to do that. We'll see. I'll think about it. Yeah, I'm just doing YouTube for now. I got rid of my Instagram. Twitter, I just use it for backlinks for my videos. It's a very toxic environment on Twitter, in my opinion. Lots of people yelling at each other. It's not a very productive situation from what I can see. I was mainly buying the U franc just because the NZDU and the AU are coming down so hard. So that usually means these two will pull these two down and push these two up. But it's just not in the best place. It's not a nice trend. So it's not the best move. Like I said, the first time I took it, it was a lot better, but now it's not looking so great. So I might just get out of it. If it makes it back up to break even, I might just get out of it. Yeah, I don't have Instagram right now. I'm not even gonna go into that story. There was some stuff happening on Instagram. Yeah, like I said, once this U franc gets back to break even, I'll probably get out of it. I should have took the NZDU short. This was the better trade. A nice tight stop loss too. So 612. Yeah, that would have been the better one. You said you're long on EGBP. Or no, you say you're short on EGBP. Yeah, it should at least go back up to where I have this take profit, if not further. It's a pullback on the hourly chart, so it's very unlikely for it to just continue going down from here. It should go back up first, put in a double top, and then possibly come down. But yeah, it just doesn't go straight down like that. I'm actually gonna get out of this U-Franc trade. I'm not feeling it anymore. So I just have to take the loss on that one. Yeah, wasn't a very good trade. How often do I go live? I go live Monday through Friday for the London session. Every day, every week, except for holidays, which I take off. The big holidays. So currently, let's see. Currently I'm down 1,300. Not a good start. But this trade here is 800. And this trade here is 1,200. So if I do get them, I'll be back into a profit, a pretty decent profit. And I might be able to trade, or might be able to find one more trade. There's a lot of movement today, so I should be able to get into something. Of course, as soon as I get out of the U-Franc, it starts going through. Still not a good trade, but you know, it happens. Okay, quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. Yeah, EGBP. We'll see what happens. Like I said, it should go up first. Yes, EMA pullback on the hourly chart. This should go up first before it comes down. But remember, none of these moves are 100%. It's just the chances of it going up first is higher than it just going straight down. We got a nice pullback here too. Yeah, that's how this whole thing works. You want to take the high probability moves. As long as you're winning, like, I mean, if you're taking 3 reward moves, you don't even need to win that much. You can have like a 30% win rate and still be fine. But if you're having like a 60, 70, 80% win rate and you're taking 3 reward, then you're doing really, really good. Even with the 50% win rate, you're still fine. Yeah, the yens are not ready, but they might be within the next half an hour. I can only stay on until like 1:30 at the latest. I have an early work day on Fridays, so I can't stay longer than that. So whatever I get until then is what I'll get. You said at what price will it drop to, or what price do I think it'll drop to? Yeah, it really shouldn't go below the stop loss. Like I said, it could. The chances are higher though, like I said, of it going up first. Oh, as it turned out, I was right over here. Do my colleagues know I'm a trader? Some of them do. I wouldn't tell everybody that. There's a lot of haters out there. I gotta be careful who I tell stuff. Like, you made how much in a day? What? Some pocket watchers out there. Okay, so it looks like I could have broke even here at least. I don't know if it's gonna go all the way up, but yeah, I could have stayed in there a little bit longer. You said the internet is worse. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm not on Instagram anymore. And Twitter, I pretty much avoid Twitter too. YouTube is cool, but yeah, Twitter, Instagram, those two especially. The amount of like people arguing with each other and just unnecessary, hateful stuff happen. It's just not my thing. Why would I argue on the internet with somebody that I don't know? I can't see them. I mean, that's just crazy to me. I've been on the internet for a long time. I've never been that type of person to waste my time like that. It's more important things to do. Go get some money. I'm not arguing with some rando on the internet, you know? Go do something productive. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know. But yeah, eventually I'll get back on Instagram. I don't know if I'll ever take Twitter seriously. Probably not. Yeah, I might do the Instagram thing though. We'll see. right, it is 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna look for one more trade, or like one more. It might be one of these yens. You said USD strong or weak for the later news for the CPI stuff. And this. Yeah, the dollar's not in a predictable spot right now. It's just kind of chopping around. So yeah, I wouldn't I just wouldn't mess with the dollar pairs right now. That's why I'm in the odd NZD and the EGBP. I just don't want any parts of the dollar right now. It's just not I like when the dollar is going steady like this over here. Or like this area right here. This is a nice steady uptrend here. That's what I like to see. I don't like when it's just kind of ranging and there's really no telling where this is gonna go. So that's why I trade, like I said, the odd NZD, the EGBP, the yen pairs. For days where the dollar is unpredictable, you can just trade something else. Yeah, maybe I should have stayed in this one. Okay. All right, so the only other thing I'm gonna do here is a buy stop for later. And I'm gonna do it right here. Okay, so with these future moves, I'll sometimes just go for a 1 1/3 take profit. Okay. All right, perfect. Okay, so I got a buy stop here. This is another EMA pullback. Okay, so this is a nice pullback on the hourly chart. So this should go up as well. So if it does make it past this resistance area here, it should go all the way up through. It should actually go further. So I'll put that there just in case. And I just have to do it on my other broker here. Okay. All right. So I got this long trade here. EMA pullback on the hourly chart. Same thing here. EMA pullback on the 15-minute and the hour chart. Oh, it's the 4-hour and the hour chart. Might be a little greedy on that take profit, but I'm gonna leave it as is. And that is pretty much it. It's got these 3 trades. This one may or may not even trigger. If it does, it should go through pretty easy. So that's all for today. Hope you all enjoyed the stream. I will have a video up this weekend just talking about a couple of things. And then I'll be back on my live stream Sunday night at 11:30 p.m. Pacific time as usual. Sunday night through Thursday night, or Monday through Friday, technically, however you want to put it. Yeah, once again, hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all enjoy your weekend. And I will see you this weekend and next week. Later.